Hello students. Today we are going to discuss some important days in political science. When was United Nations organization established? The answer is 24th October 1945. When there was a war between India and Pakistan, पहली बार 1965 में भारत पाक जंग हुई। उसके बाद 1971 में सेकेंड वार बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड इंडिया वाज फॉट। उसके रिज़ल्ट में शिमला समझौता हुआ और बांग्लादेश नाम का एक नया देश बना जिसे पहले पूर्वी पाकिस्तान कहा करते थे। उस समय द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया वाज मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी। When was Congress established? Indian National Congress, that is 1885. Who was the president of Indian National Congress? An Englishman, A.O. Hume. When did India got freedom? 15th August 1947. When did Pakistan got freedom from British? 14th August 1947. इंडिया से एक दिन पहले। How many countries are there in the world? There are approximately 220 countries in the world. Which two places of Japan where the first atomic bombs were thrown? Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Who threw the bombs and what was the name of the bomb? America threw bombs on Japan and the name of the bomb was Fat Man. What is SAARC? SAARC. South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. What is NAM? NAM, Non-Alignment Movement. What is Panchsheel? Panchsheel is a treaty signed between India and China in 1952. The Prime Minister of India was Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru and the President of China was Zhou Enlai. So it was a peace treaty. पंचशील it includes 5 principles, 5 इसके सिद्धांत हैं, जैसे कि एक दूसरे पर आक्रमण ना करना, एक दूसरे की प्रभु सत्ता का सम्मान करना, उसके बाद पीसफुल को एग्जिस्टेंस, उसके बाद नॉट टू इंटरफियर इन ईच अदर मैटर्स. सो पंचशील, बट China cheated us in 1962 and they broke this treaty. China attacked India. भारत की बहुत सारी जो है वो ज़मीन पर चाइना ने कब्जा किया. These days, after Mr. Narendra Modi took the charge of India as a Prime Minister, there are so many changes in the Indian political setup. Jammu Kashmir was abolished as states. Article 370 which was a great hindrance between India and Pakistan, was removed, and Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, they are declared as union territories. So big change. So it is today I am talking in general about Indian political system, the important dates of Indian political history. This lecture is very relevant and very useful for the students for the final examination. If you hear this lecture again and again, you will find many questions in the final examination of plus 2. How many political parties are there? What is the political system in India? There are so many political parties in India. And I also tell you that some countries are having one party system. Most of them are communist countries like China, like Russia, Hungary, Yugoslavia. They are having only one party. There is a two-party system in some of the countries like Britain and America. But there are some democratic countries where there are so many political parties. India and Italy are the examples of the multi-party system. There is a multi-party system in India. You will find BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National Congress, or Congress I, because it was named after Mrs. Gandhi Congress I, Indira Congress. There is Bahujan Samaj Party, which represents scheduled caste, and Mayawati is the president of that party. Earlier, Kanshiram was the president. The emergence of BSP gave a setback to Congress party because earlier all the reserve category votes were for Congress. The emergence of BJP in Indian politics is a great turn. Although BJP has failed in some areas like inflation, rising prices, but the image of India as a country in the world, like it has increased. Image is now better. And you know the COVID pandemic, we have faced it quite successfully. Today when I am talking to you, the cases of COVID is deteriorating. It is getting lesser and lesser. Most of the people of India are being vaccinated. And I hope that we will see that within 2-3 months, Corona will be raised from India. Hopefully, with the blessings of our worthy director, Shri J.P. Shurji, our principal, Shri Ajay Beriji, and all the senior teachers, with the blessings of parents, I think that the schools will be opened again, reopened, and we will enjoy teaching the students. In other next lectures, I will give you information about political science, about Marxism, about liberalism, about Gandhism, about bureaucracy, and many more. There are around 30 chapters we will discuss. I request all of you to please listen to the lectures. Whosoever is delivering the lectures, it is for your benefits. It is odd situation that we are not able to go to school and we are not able to have offline education. But hopefully, with the grace of God, within no time. I think the schools will be reopened. I wish my principal, Shri Ajay Beri ji, my director, Mr. J.P. Shore ji, and all my teachers and students, best of luck, best of future. They must remain happy. They should remain happy, and let us pray to the God that the COVID will end and we will again come to school and have proper education. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Thank you.